Oh, yeah. Did you wipe it? She wiped it first before she brought it. I thought you guys together outside and... Well... Oh, makeup? Okay. Yeah, we can bring that outside. Oh, that's a lot of toy. You're going now? Okay. Are we bringing that all? Okay. Oh, I thought you were gonna do your bike. Your bike. You want me to hold the balloon? Oh. Hold the balloon. Oh, yeah. Oh, give me that. Oh, you can? Oh. She knows your protocol. She brought, that's why I thought I thought it's okay with you because she said, I wipe it, Mom. See, she's wiping it and all that, so that's why I thought you're like, okay.
Mom's not just walking around.
You're purple tomorrow.
Purple.
You like purple one now.
Eh, you're wearing purple one now, sabi niya.
Hala. Purple. Anong purple mo? This one?
Kailangan pants kasi maglalaro sila sa gar.
Purple.
Oh yeah, you have a purple shirt.
Yung bike.
Yeah, but this is purple, your doggy. Jilana, that's purple.
Malaki naman yan. I go look for purple.
Meron siyang purple na yung sa Hawaii and sa, ano ba yun yung isa pa? Okay, come on, atin na.
Here's your pants tomorrow.
Purple. Hi, Chris. Hello, Mikay.
Marami kang purple.
Marami siyang purple, ang dami pa. Yung sa Hawaii pa, yung bulaklak. Yeah, she got lots of purple tomorrow. Okay. Good luck. Oh, wow.
Poo, I need my food. That was cool. What did
This is the bag. You wanna put it in the bag?
Ooh, no.
Oh, in your grocery bag. Oh. Let me get up. Oh, sorry. Oh, your bike. Oh, Jilana, that's a nice purple.
Las Vegas.
Yeah, see?
This my shirt now? No. No.
Yeah, that's a purple. Hello, Aisa. Hello, Maricar. Trabaho na naman tayo.
10. 10.
Uy, 31 months? Astig ah. Thank you. You got that for your ear again? Is that carrots?
Yeah. Honey carrots.